Well, things are coming along at a cracking pace here at the moment. Got a couple of deep vac hydro excavation units coming together here. UD Quans, nice truck. There goes Ventier's latest crane truck. Got the PK19 on the back there with the HPSC. Dongay 150 AS off-road machine. That is heading to customer down the west coast. There goes a 4x2 Dongay, same boom but on the wee FRR 500. And there goes another crane truck here that's crane ready to go on. So there's a plenty of activity, and here's our rebuild bay. So there goes a fully refurbished over centre boom ready to go back together again and go on the truck. Next door in the rebuild bay have some of our rental units in for refurbishment. There goes it's actually one of the very first of the Dongays that we sold. That's the DHT 145 AS. Must be coming up about, let's have a look. Oh yep, that's a June 2014, that one. Coming up for a rebuild in a couple of years. Out the back, stock. So there's a freshly unloaded VST 47, two of them in fact, from Versalift, waiting to go on one of these cab chassis here. There's an arborist unit, and there goes a over centre boom there, which is come in the same container. Here we have a truck completing a refurb, the boom you just saw in the rebuild bay, and stock. This little fella here is heading off to the linesman comp next couple of weeks. Great little model that, 12.5 metre reach, 200 kg bucket on a tiny wee NQR 500, so really compact. Got some booms and hydro excavator tanks all waiting to go onto trucks. Out the back, a few cab chassis there lining up. It's going to be a crane truck, that fella. It's got a PK26 going on the back. And there goes the booms that are waiting to go on the Utes. So we've got the full drive Ford Ranger Ute, and these booms here, the new ones from Denmark, that are I think they give it about 13 metre reach, 12 to 13 metres reach on a full drive Ford Ranger Ute, plus some Dongay booms waiting to go on trucks. It's the new AV850, which is the trailer mount hydro excavator unit. Hey, in the workshop here, this is a new model for us, this one here, the DHT 120 on the FSS 550 four-wheel drive. So this is going to be a pretty exciting build, this. A lot of customised toolboxes. There goes the big brother, that's the FTS 800 with the 150 boom on it. So difference is this boom here is a 16.5 metre reach, 300 kg bucket, and this little fella here is a 12.5 metre reach, 250 kg bucket.